you've both done very well with your skin.
Are we?
Yeah, you have. Really happy. All the way from Italy or the Wine Society. I know. Well, I never have to buy it. How smart is that?
That is smart. Oh, I've done one with Lee this year, so yeah. I'll say go. Yay!
Your dress is stunning. You look beautiful.
Oh, thank you. I know I feel a bit more like a princess now. Sarah's just having
Me. Anybody else?
and that's being very professional and saying no, but yeah, Dad will make it.
Just look at me just a second, please. There's a nice smile, that's better. That's lovely. And again. And
Do I look at Dad?
no, you look at me.
Okay.
You look at me. You have a look at the floor. Look at
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hello. Hi.
The person here present knows of any lawful impediment to the marriage, it should be declared now.
Well, that went well, didn't it? That bit.
Sorry, Joe, you've got to do it. I would like to remind you of the special place that marriage has in our lives. Marriage means making a commitment to developing cooperation to the exclusion of all others. I'm now going to ask each of you to declare that you know of no lawful reason why you may not be joined in matrimony to one another. So Tony, if you can repeat after me.
I'll give it a go.
I do solemnly declare.
I do solemnly declare.
That I know not.
That I know not.
Of any lawful impediment.
Of any lawful impediment.
Why I, Anthony Stewart Buckle.
Why I, Anthony Stewart Buckle.
May not be joined in matrimony.
May not be joined in matrimony.
To Joanne Leslie Thompson.
To Joanne Leslie Thompson.
Lovely, thank you. Joanne, repeat after me. I do solemnly declare.
I do solemnly declare.
That I know not.
That I know not.
Of any lawful impediment.
Of any lawful impediment.
Why I, Joanne Leslie Thompson.
Why I, Joanne Leslie Thompson.
May not be joined in matrimony.
May not be joined in matrimony.
to Anthony Stewart Buckle.
To Anthony Stewart Buckle.
Face one another.
Hang on, yeah, it's that one.
Yeah. Just that hand you need to. Sorry, if you.
Oh,
support
I get
a hand,
you.
yeah.
I get you.
Just help her along.
Thank you.
Just
There we go.
place it at the
There we
tip of
go.
the finger. That's it. Excellent. Just repeat after me. I call upon these persons here present
I call upon these persons here present
to witness that I, Anthony Stewart Buckle,
to witness that I, Anthony Stewart Buckle,
do take thee, Joanne Leslie Thompson,
do take thee, Joanne Leslie Thompson,
to be my lawful wedded wife.
to be my lawful wedded wife.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of our marriage.
as a symbol of our marriage.
Place it on the rest of the finger.
To witness that I, Joanne Leslie Thompson,
Do take thee, Anthony Stewart Buckle,
do take thee, Anthony Stewart Buckle,
to be my lawful wedded husband.
to be my lawful wedded husband.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of our marriage.
as a symbol of our marriage.
Place it on the finger. That's it. Lovely.
It's on.
Yay.
It's on.
Excellent.
Yay.
If you want to remain holding hands, okay. Tony and Joe, you've both now made the declarations required by law, and you've also made your own solemn promise to each other in the presence of your witnesses and guests gathered here today. Therefore, it gives me great pleasure to declare that you are now husband and wife.
Thank you very much.
All right.
You did so well.
If I can ask everyone to be seated just while we sign the register.
All the way down? Yeah. Just go over it. Go on, mate. Fight your way in. Fight your way in. Fight your way in, mate. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Driving seat. Come on. Was that you?
Hi, Luca.
See you later. Big smile. Big cheese. There we go. Good boy. That's a good boy. I smiling at the trees?
Yeah, right, definitely, Tom, yeah.
I'm pondering long, thinking who's going to push me off the wall.
No. Well, Joanne was going
He's not listening now. I'm jealous.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for coming today to help us celebrate the wedding of Joe and Tony. Some of you have travelled quite a distance to
I actually didn't know what to expect when you said about your dress, but when I turned round,
I'm going now. What a perfect day. And it's only just started, isn't it? Like, well, 11 years down the line, it's only just started.
And then we've gone on to those girls we called the bridesmaids. So I think we have to say that Tony, Anne and Helen have scrubbed up very well today. Having known them in their usual attire, they do.